So the gopis are looking for someone, they're looking for a guru. Gopis want to find someone who's seen Krishna and can tell us the truth. So there's two, they have to either find a guru or they have to find Radharani. Because Radharani is with Krishna. They don't know it. And she knows the truth because she loves him. And she's seen that truth because she never stopped seeing Krishna. And some of her parrots are listening. And they say, ha, that's right. He just said, ha, that's right. Ta-ta, that's right. But as soon as you stop speaking about Krishna, he flies away. So another gopi says, do you know that person? Addressed thus, the first gopi replies, pointing her finger to the earth. Yeah, this person, she must know. Well, we already went through that with the other gopi. And then another gopi says, yes, you're speaking the truth because Bhumi must know, but she's not telling. So the other gopi agrees. The third gopi, there's three different gopis here. The other gopi agrees with the second one. Says, yes, you're right, speaking the truth. Bhumi knows. Wherever Krishna is, he's somewhere on the earth. He hasn't gone terrestrial. He's not an ET. He hasn't got in a spaceship and taken off. He's still here. Since Krishna always walks on the earth, and the Padma Puran says, Vrindavanam prityaja ekapadam nagachati. Krishna doesn't take one step out of Vrindavan. So Jivera Surabhaya Krishna Nityadas. I am an eternal servant of Krishna. And so if my master, my Prabhu, he's my Prabhu. Prabhu Gauranga, Prabhu Gaur, Prabhu Nitai, Prabhu Advaita, Advaita Prabhu, Krishna Prabhu, he's my Prabhu. So the Prabhu is always with the Sevite. So Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. So we can't leave Vrindavan. It's impossible. Very sweet. I like it. I like you. You're speaking the truth. That's why we planted this tree, actually, for them to come and have a good time. Because I know I've been living in Vrindavan 30 years, 15 there and 16 here, 31 actually. And I always saw that parrots love neem trees. So I said, if I ever get some land, I will plant a neem tree. So there it is. So this is their home, Braj. And I'm their servant. Since Krishna always walks on the earth, Bhumi is never separated from him. This is the third gopi. They're very logical. They're using Anuman. They're smart. He must be somewhere on the earth, and he's walking on the earth. So he cannot, but Bhumi's never separated from Krishna. So she cannot understand what all Krishna's devotees are going through, because every single devotee in Vrindavan experiences viraha, viraha bhav, separation. Because Krishna leaves them. He's not with his mother for 24 hours. He's not with the cowherd boys for 24 hours. He's not with his house servants for 24 hours, and he's not with us either. Only a few hours of the day. Half the day, by the way, at least. But so Bhumi, all the time, whether Krishna's, whomever he's with, whichever devotee he's with, he's on the earth. So that means Bhumi is 24/7 with Krishna. She doesn't know how much we're suffering. So therefore, she's not sympathetic to us. She doesn't answer our question or be kind to us. Therefore, we cannot direct the same sort of inquiry at Bhumi as we made to others previously. Instead of asking her, has she seen Krishna? Where is Krishna? That's a given. That's a given. She already knows where Krishna is. So now we must find out, how did she get this fortune? Bhumi, the gopis in their madness, they're seeing that Mother Bhumi, Bhumi Mata, Bhumi Devi, she's more fortunate than the gopis. She's more fortunate than Yashoda. She's more fortunate than the cowherd boys. And she's more fortunate than the house servants. And she's more fortunate than any Premi Bhakta Nitya Siddha Parishad of Krishna Vrindavan. Because I just established that point. Because 24/7, she's never separated from Krishna. And all the other devotees in Premi Bhakta Nitya Siddhas of Krishna are separated in different times of the day. from Krishna, because he runs away to be with the other devotees. So they're thinking, what fortune, what great fortune. So let's find out her secret. What is your secret that you're always associating with Krishna 24 hours a day? And you must be the best devotee in the universe, Bhumi. And you're so humble. Little Brajaduli, but it's not ordinary duli. Vrindavan me kan kan bole Shri Radha Radha. Nidhivan me bandur bole Shri Radha Radha. Forget the monkeys, but I'll take the Brajaduli. Vrindavan me kan kan bole. Kan kan means the duli, the dust, the raj, Braja Raj, the dust of Vrindavan. It's chanting Radha, 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 Radha. Shri Radha, Radha, Shri Radha, Radha. So Bhumi Devi is not ordinary. She's chanting Radha, Radha, Radha. Radha, 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 Radha.